I can't find a friend.
Why do you mean you sit down and tell such people say him and everybody in an argument? But me type in on TikTok say Britney this and the amount of list me see come up Britney this man, Britney this era, Britney this Destiny, Britney this man, Britney this TJ, Britney this Rosa. You this every blood clot body. Why you walk around this?
Listen, it come like you over foreign and your blood clot unhappy because no way you sit down and eat.
Britney go fix your blood clot.
Me support you still blood clot get for me.
You come over here with your
He's
heart.
one little ragamuffin piece of eater. Everybody every time. Everybody every time because we couldn't manage it on here. And that's why over there now.
Why you come over here at this? You know
that's why over there because we can't manage it. But you like not even America can't manage it because enough eat you have in your man.
Go on.
You feel like eat, sir. And if you calm down, man. And if you calm down.
You need to shallow your mouth.
You need to calm down, man, because
you need to shallow your mouth.
One little girl. One little girl
your mouth, man.
So much.
You're not going to open up the mouth.
One little girl have ate so much.
Shallow your mouth.
One little girl.
Oh, one little girl of black artist.
One little
girl. Business.
One little girl have ate so much, man.
Let me tell you
no,
this.
Sir. Cut and clear
out
your mind. Make piece of lime for you.
Make up your mind.
Me need piece of lime to spray upon you. Cut and clear all that, man.
Spray for your teeth with me, your patch teeth. Where the man say, I'm going to like you.
Over there now. We couldn't manage it.
When the man say, I'm going to like me now, blood clot say no more.
You feel blood clot. You go away.
Say, see your blood clot. Come on from the life.
Go away. Move on, go away.
If you're not going to be at the
go away. You feel like the blood clot. You're a blood clot eater. He's an eater. And that's why Jamaica couldn't manage you. Jamaica couldn't manage, so we have to say, no, my Ivany. Go on Chibada in Mexico, because if I never say go, you would have never hear for God about it. Because at this point, we agree to say no way. We will agree if we make a go, because we say, no, man, it's a girl.
I'm glad.
Look a girl, can't so bad. We say, no, my Ivany, go Chibada in Mexico. Like, you just home one day, right? I just give one man and say, go on Chibada, not true. I just come because
I said,
we can't manage it, we have to ship you out. And we can't manage it, we ship them out. You don't realize? We can't take too much problem, we ship you away, man. I will ship you away. I am still over there, you palm blood clot me.
You still over there, you palm blood clot me. Because you're so mad. They'll see that you can't come through the border because they don't accept mad people.
No, but
so
me
don't
come
through the border. Clutch down there.
Girl, you know, see, me there Jamaica, me just like a foreigner.
I a big old hat.
Me there Jamaica, me just like a foreigner.
I just like blood clot, they'll see it.
Yes, me post picture, me just like a foreigner.
Picture right now, I the black teeth.
He's a foreigner Jamaican.
You ever go put in the black teeth right now, I live in there.
But it's a girl out there, she not, you know, see me there foreigner, me just like a foreigner other day. I'm full white. But I wish you there.
You know it's full white.
Oh, why you the only, I mean, I'm a white boot, I'm a white play. You want to see it because you're bad mind. Because you see one customer say me if you go on better. And I start going better and you can't say nothing because you're bad mind. You're bad mind and everybody that see it daily. Where's the country see for
you talk about mad man?
You're bad man. Well, me mad, but you bad man.
Now, fuck man, you know something I'm still gonna watch out for see where you are. You come to me and watch out your blood clot page. You look at Saddam.
Why?
Mad.
You must know. Me and you.
Yeah? Me and you.
Yeah, me and you. Me and you, Ivany. Me and you.
The full white outfit. That's why I couldn't come in and see nothing good, okay?
Where? We couldn't manage it there. That's how we ship you away. We can't manage it.
Turn around, come me after me comment on him blood clot picture.
Not too much problem, not too much stress power.
Go fling where your mouth. Fling where your mouth, man. With your own lipstick.
Get too much damn problem.
Each time you put on the lipstick, your mouth.
Get too much damn problem.
Go on.
Go on. Hey, damn problem. Hey, damn problem. All you do walk and get problem. That's why we ship you out, man, because we can't manage it. Honestly. I'm sure everybody else sit down. I just say looking at yourself and you see that too.
You need to fuck.
See that, see that?
You need to do.
Think about what you want to say. Yeah, sometimes the truth hurts.